Alright, I'm at the back of my church, and I think there's a couple of units back here. I don't want to get caught. See, I'm way back here. Oh, yeah, there is. Oh, one's running. Sweet. Here's a fairly new Heil. I think this is a Heil. Yeah, Heil. Two of them. This one is... Oh yeah, it was a heat pump. See there? It's a heat pump. Here's Copeland scroll. Heil. R410A. Where's the serial? Serial number E07460250. Now, International Comfort Products is carrier. So this is manufactured in 2007. It's model number N4H342AKA100. So that's a 3.5 ton. And the last video I got of this sucker, it turned on, but it was on my other camera. Right here's another Heil heat pump. Oh, it's got something nice. A made in China reversing valve, which I don't doubt. What kind of compressor? Copeland scroll. Model number on the small Heil is E07310138, and the model is N4H348, aka B100 4-ton. And going over here, I don't know if it's still here, and yes it is. Here is a high efficiency 5000. Gotta hurry this up. No brand name, but it's just like the one over there. It's model number, and it's the International Comfort Products, Intercity Products. Holy crap! Model number, where's it? Model number, where's it? Oh, CA5560UKC1. Oh, wow. R22. And the compressor's blowing in it. Over there's a Lennox, which I'm not getting near that far. Oh, spiders. Okay. And this is the last one I'm doing. Here is a one I never heard of. ICP commercial. Commercial comfort 3-phase. Here's the compressor. This is a straight cool unit. Whoops. Model number CAC060HAA. Serial. Oh, I can't read it. National Comfort Products. Here's one that I'm going to get. It's running. Is this running? Buzzing. Temp Star. Looks just like that one over there. Alright, model number on the Temp Star. I'm going to cut this short, alright?